Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you increase your download speed while downloading games on the Epic Games Launcher. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is make sure you have opened up your Epic Games Launcher and are ready for downloading the game. So guys, what you want to do to increase your download speed is you have to go into your folder and edit some files, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the search option on Windows and type in run. Go ahead and open up the run application guys, and here you want to type in exactly as me this app data info, and you want to search for this. So guys, after searching for this, now this will open up this roaming folder, but we want to go into this app data folder instead. That is the original of roaming. So guys, go ahead to app data, and here you will have three folders: roaming, local, low, and local. We want to go into the first folder right here called local. And in the local file guys, then here you want to type in to search for Epic Games, and you want to find this folder right here called Epic Games Launcher. So guys, go ahead and open up Epic Games Launcher, and now guys, you want to go into the saved folder right here. When in saved folder guys, you want to go ahead and click on the config folder, and now this will open up two more folders that will appear, such as Crash Report Client and Windows, and we want to open the Windows folder guys. And now this is the final folder. Here guys, you want to find this notepad option called engine. This is the file that we want to edit, so go ahead and open up engine guys. And as you can see, this is a blank file. What we want to do guys is you're going to go ahead and paste in a code that I will leave for you in the description, or you can just type it in from here. But anyways guys, you want to type out this code exactly right like this. This will enable you for your internet to go faster while downloading in the Epic Games Launcher, because they have set a maximum speed that you can use. This will get rid of that maximum speed. So guys, go ahead and click on save, and now guys, after saving, you will go back to your Epic Games Launcher. You have successfully saved it, and go ahead and start downloading a game. And guys, you will see that there is an increase in your download speed for sure after enabling this. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.